Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 15 such AI websites with the help of which you can make AI videos. For more such interesting videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. 1. Lumen 5. Create videos from blog posts or articles using AI-driven technology. 2. Wibbitz. Turn your text-based content into engaging videos using AI algorithms. 3. Animaker. Build animated videos with the help of AI-based templates and characters. 4. Powtoon. Create animated videos using a drag-and-drop interface powered by AI. 5. Biteable. Make professional quality videos using AI-powered templates and effects. 6. Moovly. Produce animated videos with the assistance of AI-powered tools. 7. Magisto. Automatically transform your photos and videos into polished movies using AI. 8. Renderforest. Generate videos using AI-based templates and customization options. 9. Typito. Enhance your videos with AI-driven text and graphic overlays. 10. FlexClip. Create videos easily with AI-powered features and templates. 11. VideoScribe. Build whiteboard-style animated videos with AI-powered illustration tools. 12. ClipJam. Edit and create videos using AI-driven features like automatic video cropping and resizing. 13. Shaka. Produce high-quality videos using AI-generated templates and customization options. 14. Raw Shots. Create animated explainer videos with the help of AI-driven tools. 15. Rocketium. Generate videos at scale using AI-based automation and customization options. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for interesting video. If you also want to make a video from AI website, then the link of that video is in the description. And you can watch that video by clicking on the I button. Thanks for watching this video.